Sama on a for real note, but it's the same way of how people say Cardi B is just noise. I think you're lying to yourself if you think it's the same. Stop Breathing is like insane energy. But like the vocals are clear, the mix is clear. Like it's just, yeah, the 808s are like a big part of the song and like the thumping bass. But that's very different than this. Come on, you're fucking lying to yourself if you're saying these are so similar. This is literally just straight distortion, noise, maxed the fuck out, and there's like no melody. Bro.